Hi, I'm Jared Dienda. We're here at Snap-on Tools World Headquarters. I'm here with Scott Singpeel of Snap-on Tools, and we are introducing the brand new cordless power tool die grinder. These things are awesome, and they're brushless as well.
That's right, yeah, brushless, so we keep the weight down. These are 1.7 pounds, and the whole idea behind this is we heard from a lot of technicians that they want more and more microlithium based power tools. Specifically, this was one item that they had requested. So we listened and developed this in two configurations. And again, it's all about access. So when you're dealing with obviously cordless, there's no airline or anything like that. So if you have to do maybe some under dash work or something underneath a car or in an engine bay where space is tight, this allows you to get in there and do what you need to do.
Look at that, I flipped it right around. Very ergonomic. It's got this nice little dimple right here so you can really get in the spot. Also, what I'm noticing, not a trigger. You got a dial here where you can set it from the range, and you'll talk about that, but also just turn it on and go, so you don't have the kind of the variable. Just set it and forget it.
Right, so air tools obviously use a variable speed trigger, so you're using the trigger to control how much RPM you're giving the tool, which is great in your maybe more high-end medium to heavy-duty applications. For a little bit more of the light-duty, medium-duty work, this is great because you can turn it on. Low setting is 5,000 RPMs, and you can ramp it all the way up to 28,000 RPM, which for a burr set like this, the minimum operating speed for a burr like this is 25,000 RPM. So having that RPM up there to be able to efficiently use one of these quarter-inch bits is important.
Speaking of bits, you got this attachment right here. What does this do?
Yeah, so we included with the tool is a 1/8 inch collet that allows you to drop down to the smaller size burrs for that real light duty, real finesse type work that you might need to do. So maybe you're doing some engine porting or things like that, or maybe using aluminum or plastic, you can drop down and go with a smaller bit.
So you use that, and it's really quick and easy. Go ahead and show them how easy it is to take and exchange either bits or burrs.
Yeah, so most tools use 2 wrenches. We use a push button lock that allows you to lock the collet first, and then you use the wrench that's provided and you can spin it loose. So it's really, you don't have to fumble around with 2 wrenches to break it loose. So changes are real quick and easy. Same thing with the collet. If you want to change the collet out, you just pull the head all the way off, drop the old one out, switch it over.
Drop that one right in.
And then put your shoulder back on.
So then you got an 1/8 inch now, and then you of course put your bit in there and you tighten it down with the wrench to ensure that it doesn't fly off.
Exactly.
Yeah.
Yep.
So this thing's light, it's nimble. Like you said, the technicians have asked for it, and now here it is, and it features the brushless technology.
That's right.
Awesome. The right tool for the right job. Speak to your franchisee today about the all-new cordless die grinders.